Let's take a moment to discuss possession. Proof of possession, something the state will have the burden to prove in 99% of all drug cases. And there are two types of possession that you need to be aware of if you're facing a drug charge. There's actual possession and constructive possession. Actual possession means you actually have the item on your person. It's in your pocket. It's in your hand. The officer sees you with it. That's actual possession. That's not difficult for the state necessarily to prove, but they nonetheless have the burden of proving that you were in actual possession in some scenarios. The other type of possession, which is much more common that we're faced with, is constructive possession. What the state argues in a constructive possession case is that you had access to the item and you had the intention at some point to control the item. So it needs to be in an area that you have access to and you intend to control it. Let me give you a silly little example, but nonetheless an example that you might be able to appreciate. You go in your backyard and you bury something in the backyard, and even though you are not in actual possession of it, it's in your backyard, you intend to one day dig it up, and that signifies that you are in fact in constructive possession of it. Now, it's important to understand constructive possession is just as criminally culpable as actual possession.